Welcome to a new consumer goods review. Today we have a Moomin gift box made by Fazer Company. Now for those people who don't know, this is Moomin and it's a very famous Finnish animation show. This is the female Moomin, male Moomin, and they also have these other kind of characters. I guess they're like a trolls or something like that, and it's especially famous in like Asian countries like Japan. And this one is travel exclusive, so you can only get this in airports. And this is what they have inside. They have like candy, lollipops, they have some pastels and bubblegum. Also postcard that you can cut out from the packaging, so that's pretty cool. But enough talk, let's see what's inside. Okay. Ooh, seems to be the postcard got already ripped out for some reason. I think I opened this before, I don't know. But anyway, this is the postcard. You can send this to your friends or family or your love. They will appreciate this. Very cute. Let's put it here. And they have this Moomin candy inside. This is very popular among like Asian tourists. I was working at the airport and they want to buy this Moomin candy. They have some pastels. More pastels. And what is here? Let's see. What is this? Is this... it's the cream toffee. Cream toffee, okay. They have a lollipop. And more toffees. And more candy. So they didn't have bubblegum, I was wrong. What is this? Summer Dream. Mumintroll is looking for treasures under the water. Find the 4 hidden objects that are hidden also beside the image. So you have to find these objects. So there's like knife. Where is the knife over here? I don't know, it's over here, yeah. This is too easy. There's cup. The cup is like, yeah, it's here. Maybe for kids this will be harder for you, but not for adults. They didn't have bubblegum inside, I was wrong. But maybe this is like Xylitol, so it's good for teeth. No, it's not Xylitol. So everything here is very bad for the teeth. But let's taste them. Okay, let's see what the Moomin candy tastes like. What should we start with? There are many candies. Maybe we should start with this small orange box over here. Okay. Oh, it is Xylitol, so this is the one that's healthy for teeth. This should be last. Let's start with the big bag. Let's start with the big boys. Okay. Here we go. Smells like fruit. Very pleasant smell. Ooh, look at the candies. They have the shape of the Moomins. You see? That's kind of funny. Very good flavor. I like this. So it's like it's not too sugary like some other fruit candies. This tastes like actual fruit. Yep, natural flavors. That's why it tastes so good. No extra chemicals over here or artificial sweeteners. This is real fruit. They have strawberry, orange, pear, and pomegranate. This is a good candy. I can eat the whole bag of this in like one go. 10 out of 10 for this one. Thank you, Moomin. Thank you. What is the next? Ah, that's so good. Cream toffee next. This smells good at least. Nice. Another good candy inside here. Look at the inside. So it's like cream and toffee in one. I don't know if you have it in any other countries, but yeah, I have tasted this in other countries too, but sometimes it's too sweet. I think this is not too sweet, it's perfectly balanced. There's like this cream, you taste the cream, not just the sugar. Let's take another one. It's a little bit hard because this one had best before date in 2020, March, and now it's 2021, April, so it's over 1 year old, but it still tastes good. That's how you know quality candy. After 1 year of expiry date, it still tastes good. Next, we have lollipop. They have two Moomins, the female and male one, dancing. Okay. By the way, green toffee, again, 10 out of 10. How do you open this? That's how you open the lollipops, with your teeth. It's shaped like a heart. It's a grown man eating a lollipop in front of camera and making it a YouTube video. That's so weird. Yeah, it's just basic lollipop. This is crap. This is 4 out of 10. I hate lollipops. Next, we have some kind of fruit pastel. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. They shape like hearts again. Same flavors. Red berry, strawberry, pear, and orange. This one is not as good as this other one, to be honest. This one has more of those artificial sweeteners. I don't like these artificial sweeteners. Let's see what's the difference, to be honest. I don't know, but this one just doesn't taste as good for some reason. 8 out of 10 for this one. And the last one is this Pastel with Xylitol. And this one has 0 sugar, I think. Okay. Ooh. Damn. Look at this color. I think because it expired 1 year ago, it's a little bit... They got a little bit out of shape. It's still okay taste. Yeah, it's pretty good. Better than this one, but not as good as this one. And they contain xylitol, so it's healthy for teeth. I think this small one will get 9 out of 10. Very good if you're a kid. If you have a kid and you give it this 10. It's good. But yeah, that was the Moomin box. Overall, I think this gonna get 9 out of 10. These candies especially, I think everyone in the world will like this. So good. And they have 2 bags of them, that's good. If you have a friend who likes Moomin, or if you have like Japanese friend, all of them love Moomin, so get this box for them as a gift. It's really good. Thanks for watching, and thank you Fazer for making this amazing candy. You're a good company. Thank you. Make sure to comment below. What do you know about Moomin? And have you ever seen Moomin show? And I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.